Hey kids, welcome back to A Very Windows Christmas. This is day 10, and for day 10, what we're going to do is we're going to be installing Windows Neptune Build 5111 on a disk. So, so I have Windows 2000 loaded up here. I'm going to Winver here. Yeah, there you go, Windows 2000. So, cool. For those of you who don't know what the hell the Neptune is, basically just kind of it's a canceled Windows project. Kinda. You may be asking, well, why is it in this Christmas? Why is it in the 2000s Christmas themed around XP and Vista and 7? Why isn't it here? Why not? Why isn't it like in a future Christmas? Well, Windows Neptune is kind of like a spiritual predecessor to Windows XP in a way. A lot of the features that Neptune kind of set out to do will end up in the future Windows version, like the start page. That was kind of the predecessor to Windows 8's start menu. Yeah. So basically, what happened was there was two projects that Microsoft was going to work on: Windows Neptune and Windows Odyssey. Windows Neptune was gonna be for like consumers, and Windows Odyssey was meant to be for businesses, and so they got to work, but you know, they were canceled and they were canned. So since Neptune was canceled, Odyssey was canceled too. So Microsoft merged the two teams together to make the Whistler team, and then Whistler ended up becoming XP. And there you go, nice little history lesson for you. So yeah, despite what people are saying, Neptune is not the alpha to XP. It only made it to like the alpha phase, and that's it. And is not the beta to 2000 either. Oh my god, that is like the stupidest myth I've ever heard. I'm not sure if it's like widespread or not, but like I heard it in everything ePan's tutorial on how to install Windows 5 in how to install Neptune in VirtualBox. He says it's the beta to 2000.
Now this is the beta version of what would be Windows 2000.
No! Well, anyways, let's get it installed. Also, my phone's battery ain't really too great. It's like 15, now probably 14%. So, yeah. Anyways, that's enough rambling. Let's just get on with the show. Microsoft Neptune CD. Is this CD-ROM? Yeah, I would like to install Neptune. On to the Neptune setup wizard. I accept this agreement. There we go. It is now copying files. Okay, let's, and now we're going to go into the blue portion of setup. Also, Windows 2000 took so damn long to install on here. It was like brutal. It looked like an hour and a half. Welcome to setup. This portion of setup for Microsoft Neptune to run on your computer. Okay. I actually never ran Neptune on this machine until now, which is kind of wild. We are going to go with C, and we're going to take the L to delete it. So that was copying files. Okay. Restarting. Welcome to the Neptune Setup Wizard. I got like 10% left. Oh, yeah, this is gonna take a little while. You know, I'm gonna take this opportunity to charge my my phone, my iPhone 14 standard. Yeah, 1 sec. So no time lapse. Sorry. 1 sec. Okay. Cool. My phone is not 16%, so yeah, very nice. GWF. I don't know. Not with the lowercase f. Seriously, I really hate this keyboard. Like, there's 2 backslashes here. There's like 1 here, and then there's like 1 here, and it's like, why? Why? It really feels like they're trying to make our life miserable. I'm gonna call it, I'm gonna call it, of course, Tosh. That'll do. Okay, completing the Neptune Setup Wizard. Hooray! So I'm just gonna remove the disk here. Just throw that to the side. Finish. Okay, no. Okay, so this is Windows Neptune Build 5111. Cool. Yeah. And so we don't have any drivers. Yeah. Let me see, it says Neptune right there. Yeah. What version of Internet Explorer we got here? Go away. Yes. Try again. Okay. Links. Actually, I'm gonna go to help. About. Internet Explorer 5.5. And as you can see, that logo ain't showing up too great. And as you can see, this is build number 2919. But it says 5.0 for some reason. A little weird. You can file a bug report. Woo! Alright, section 1, contact information. Beta ID. Like from Chicago. I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 2, issue information, problem title. And you know what? Let's whine about Windows 11 because we don't get enough of that on the internet. /s, problem title. Windows 11 bloatware bad. Problem type trivial. Area other. This problem always happens. Describe the problem. Windows 11 has so much bloatware. It's so annoying. Please get it out. What I expect to happen? No bloatware. Blowerware? No, this is where we reduce the problem. Install Windows 11. Section 3 information. Yep, that'll do. It doesn't look like it's doing anything. Well, that's to be expected because yeah, we're not connected to the internet at all. But interestingly enough, we have this thing at the bottom: bug reporting page version 5.00.00.5112. Assuming that's the build number. This could very well be a typo of build 5111, considering that 1 and 2 are right next to each other on the keyboard. But if it isn't a typo, actually, I kind of wanna see the login screen. Log off administrator. Yeah, here's our new the login screen. Welcome, just big welcome text at the top. See, this is one of the features that was going to be in Neptune that later just migrated over to XP. That's why I say Neptune is a spiritual predecessor to Windows XP. And that's also why it's in this Christmas instead of like the next Christmas or the next Christmas after that. And you see we got the computer name down there, which is just Tosh, and yeah, we can turn out the computer. Anyways, I feel like that is a good comprehensive look at Windows Neptune Build 5111. I'm sorry I didn't cover the Activity Center. I wanted to cover the Activity Center, but I don't know how to, actually activate it. I need a set of like steps, and I don't feel like getting that right now. And also, the phone battery, my iPhone battery's not doing too good. Well, anyways, thank you for watching day 10 of A Very Windows Christmas. See you on day 11. Thank you, post-production me. Where we will, I think we're gonna swap some registries around. Actually, I think we're gonna start by swapping the Windows XP and Vista registry. Ooh, won't that be interesting? Bye.